Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The largest 3-digit even number is to be converted to Roman numeral. So the largest 3-digit even number is for largest 3-digit number we should have all the places occupied by largest digit, that is 9. But this is odd number also largest 3-digit number. So to make an odd number even number, we simply subtract 1 from it. So 998 is largest 3-digit even number. Now we need to convert this to Roman numeral. Before we do that, let us familiarize ourselves with rules of conversion. The first is that I, X, C are not repeated more than 3 times. Not repeated more than thrice. The next will be when larger value numeral is put before smaller value numeral. It denotes addition. But exactly opposite to the second rule is when smaller value numeral is put before larger value numeral, it will denote subtraction. So with these rules, let us proceed forward. So 998 can be written as 900 plus 90 plus 8. Now 900 can be represented as 500 plus 400. But to be able to denote 400, we'll have to write C 4 times, which is not allowed. So instead of 500 plus 400, we can write 900 as 1000 minus 100. The same is the case with 90. We cannot denote it as or represent it as 50 plus 40. So what we do? We denote it as 100 minus 10. And 8 can be written as 5 plus 3. So to represent this subtraction, we'll have to write the Roman numeral for 100 first, which is C denotes 100, M denotes 1000, X denotes 10, V denotes 5, and I denotes 1. So the smaller value is written before larger value to represent subtraction. So this whole will be CM. Then this will be XC. Now this is simple addition. So this will be 5 and that is I. We have to write 3 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it is represented by 3 times I. So what we do, we simply combine these together, XC, V, I. CM, XC, V, I. So answer is option CM, XC, V, I, option A.